Metal stamping machines can form sheet metal into various shapes. As highly efficient metalworking equipment, sheet metal stamping press plays a vital role in industrial production. Workflow of metal stamping machine. Deck oiler. Leveling machine. Punching machine. Parameters of metal stamping machine. The technical parameters of a sheet metal stamping press are crucial to its performance and application range. The following are some key parameters. The sheet metal stamping press is designed with the user experience in mind. Operators simply adjust production parameters on the PLC control panel, and the machine automatically operates. This streamlined operation allows even novice operators to quickly learn the basics, significantly reducing training costs. With sensor-controlled start and stop capabilities, the metal stamping machine offers a great level of automation, automatically changing its working state according to production demands. This computerized design not only boosts manufacturing efficiency but also lowers human error, therefore guaranteeing product consistency. Applications of metal stamping machines. Strut channel system. Warehouse racking system. Suspended ceiling system.